Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I want to take you guys in the month of May on a journey of my Me Made May 2021 pledge. On my spring fashion mood board, I have this dress that I fell in love with. This dress is by Zimmerman and it's called the Lucky Lace Patch Dress. If I don't have it correctly, you'll see the name right here. And so I was like, this is the dress that I'm going to make. I appreciate the artwork, I appreciate the design, the fabrics that are used. And so I wanted to make almost the same version, not copying it completely because I feel like you have to make your own version of the reality. And just going all out during the month of May and showing you different steps along the way. So I have my notes right here and I thought I would start off with just telling you about the pledge. The next video is going to be behind the scenes, all about the fabric prep. And then video 3 is going to be about sewing the skirt. Video 4 is about sewing the bodice as well as the sleeves. And 5 is the review. So if you're interested, I hope you join me on this journey of making something absolutely fabulous. I bought at 4 different fabric stores. I bought at budgetstoffen.nl, textielstad.nl, stoffen.net and driesestoffen.nl. Those are the 4 stores that I bought from. And I'm going to show you the fabrics. Is this fabric right here? This is a Ryan Digi print. I bought 1.3 meters of this. This fabric is by Textielstad and it cost €11 and 50 cents per meter. It is 80% viscose. Next one that I have is this one right here. This is an off-white embroidered cotton baptiste fabric and it has circles embroidered on it. It was by stoffen.net and it was $8.50 per meter. I bought 1 meter. The next one is this right here. This is an apricot color, or I would call it a salmon color. It is satin. It costs €5 per meter and I bought it at Textielstad. The next one that I have here is a light gray cotton satin stretch. This one is by driesestoffen.nl and I bought it at €4 per meter. And then we have the off-white lace. This one is called Magical Flowers. It is by budgetstoffen.nl and I bought 1 meter for €2.99. And the fabric that I'm going to use in order to line the entire dress is a viscose off-white fabric. I bought it for €4.99. €4.99, 2 meters of fabric. Those are all the fabrics. Whoa. These are all the fabrics that I'm going to use. It's going to be patchwork. And so that's why I chose this many. The only notions that I bought is this salmon color invisible zipper. This one is by Textielstad. It is a 60 centimeter. The patterns is going to be from Mood Pattern. It's going to be a hack. And so I'm going to combine 2 different, well, the verdict is still out on the bodice, but I will definitely use the sleeves from the ginger dress. The skirt is going to be it's a hack from the Shirley dress, and the bodice I'm not sure yet which pattern I will use in order to hack it, but it will probably be something from Mood Fabric or maybe something from coal. And I'm going to put a picture in here so you can see the top that I made last year. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.